If you've never ridden a mountain coaster, you definitely need to. Due to Branson's natural beauty, we have some amazing choices, and in today's video, we are going to take you along for a POV ride to see what you can expect when you visit the Copperhead Mountain Coaster in Branson, Missouri. But first, let's roll that intro.
In the heart of the Ozarks Hills lies an adventure like no other, where thrills meet breathtaking views and excitement awaits around every bend. Welcome to Shepherd of the Hills Adventure Park in Branson, Missouri, home to some of the most exhilarating experiences. Imagine ziplining across the treetops of the Ozarks forests, ascending to the top of a 230-foot tall Inspiration Lookout Tower, and cruising down the hills on the famous Copperhead Mountain Coaster. All of these are available in one location.
Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures or unforgettable family moments, Shepherd of the Hills Adventure Park is your gateway to endless fun. This video will mostly focus on the famously smooth Copperhead Mountain Coaster. However, we can't leave out all the fun and excitement that is included in one of our very favorite Branson locations, the Shepherd of the Hills.
From heart-pounding ziplines soaring through the treetops to challenging ropes courses that test your courage and skill, there's something here for everyone. Their zipline canopy tours have been voted America's #1 aerial adventure park 3 separate times. Guests can enjoy breathtaking views and thrills as they zip across the horizon from 8 unique tree-suspended platforms. Or, if you're looking for a serious aerial thrill, experience the Vigilante Extreme Zip Rider, Missouri's highest and fastest zipline adventure that takes off from 140 feet in the air on the platform of the aforementioned Inspiration Tower.
If you're wanting a bit more of a challenge while being suspended in the air, then you might want to check out their SkyTrek Challenge Ropes course. Whether you're looking for things to do as a family or you might be a solo traveler craving an adrenaline rush, SkyTrek is designed to cater to all adventurers. The views from this ropes course is absolutely stunning, overlooking the Ozarks Hills for countless miles.
Apart from the thrills, this Branson Family Entertainment Park and Farm is centered around the legendary outdoor drama and historic farm of the namesake novel, The Shepherd of the Hills. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of the Ozarks at the Shepherd of the Hills Old Mill Outdoor Theater, where tales of bravery and love come to life under the stars.
Many other shows are also available to see at the Shepherd of the Hills throughout the year. One of our new favorites is the Wild West Murder Mystery Show, full of live action, animals, trick riding, and a whole lot of laughter. Indoor shows are also available with an option to choose a dinner show. One of the most popular being the $1 Million Quartet, where the most legendary names and iconic voices like tributes to Elvis Presley, Johnny Cash, Carl Perkins, and Jerry Lee Lewis come together in an amazing show. Additional dinner shows like the Whodunit Hoedown and the Great American Chuck Wagon Dinner Show will have you smiling all the way through. And we can't forget the Christmas season here with shows like A Christmas Story, Shepherd's Christmas Carol, and many more holiday favorites.
Just like we love their seasonal shows, something we always love about Shepherd of the Hills is that they know how to celebrate the 4 seasons. Family-friendly events like Spring Fest around the Easter holiday to celebrate the new life and warmer weather, Pumpkin Fest in the fall to celebrate the vibrant colors of our breathtaking natural landscape, and North Pole Adventure in November and December to help us celebrate the true reason for the season. We love that the entire park shifts during the seasons and provides us with unique visits each time we're there.
If you would like to learn and see more about Shepherd of the Hills and their seasonal events, be sure to subscribe to our channel down below. Like we said earlier, this is one of our favorite places in all of Branson to spend family time, so you know we have videos to help you and your group enjoy Shepherd of the Hills to the fullest during each season. We also have a video library full of fun reviews to help you plan your best trip to Branson, Missouri. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and get ready to bolt down these Ozarks Hills on the Copperhead Mountain Coaster with us.
As we transition our focus to the Copperhead Mountain Coaster itself, there are a few things you'll want to know. First of all, and their first step of the park before riding is that all mountain coaster guests will need to fill out a completed waiver. This can easily be done on a phone or device before arriving at the park, especially if tickets are purchased online. They also have convenient QR codes directing guests to the waiver when they arrive. Children who ride will need to have the waiver completed by a parent or guardian. So first and foremost, fill out those waivers for all riding guests.
Once all group members have filled out waivers, it's time to move on to step 2, purchase or pick up your group's tickets. As mentioned earlier, tickets can easily be purchased online at the Shepherd of the Hills website, which we have linked for you in the description below. However, if you prefer to purchase tickets in person, that can be done at their ticket window in front of the Copperhead Mountain Coaster or in the Inspiration Tower main floor lobby. Just be sure you have a ticket in hand before moving on to step 3,
which is hop in the rider line. While you wait in line, it's important to review the rules and directions for your Copperhead Mountain Coaster ride. Luckily, their video can fill you in on what you need to know. For example, it's important to know that drivers of each cart must be between 54 inches and 84 inches tall. All riders must be at least 3 years old and at least 38 inches tall and between 45 and 187 pounds. The max cart weight for driver and rider combined is 375 pounds in dry conditions and 330 pounds in wet conditions. Any driver with a passenger must be at least 16 years old and able to operate the brake levers to control the speed of the sled.
When it's finally time to hop aboard your cart, be sure to listen to the mountain coaster attendant who will briefly review the operating procedures and will make sure that you are buckled in safely. From there, the driver has both hands on the brake levers, and everyone's hands and legs stay inside the cart for an exhilarating ride on the Copperhead Mountain Coaster. Now sit back and listen to some of our music while we play our own Branson Fam point of view video with Paul and Charlie.
How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. Whoa, I'm coming home. Whoa, I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. Not gonna step back, not gonna step back now. We're flying higher, we're gonna reach the clouds. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. Yes, I know I'm called a friend. There's a place that I'm never alone. 'Cause there's a place called home. A place called home.
There you have it, folks. Shepherd of the Hills Adventure Park provides endless opportunities to make memories for a lifetime, and we hope you have the chance to visit here soon. Don't forget to purchase your tickets to their awesome attractions, shows, and events that take place throughout the year. And subscribe to our channel for even more family fun that you can find in Branson, Missouri. So until our next adventure, fam, we'll catch y'all later.